Guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install and use Kimi K3. So if I go into this command prompt, let's use the CLS, writing Ollama. Then here you can get this all. So this selected, let's click on this right arrow. So this here you cannot get the Kimi K3 option cloud. So Kimi K3 cloud option you cannot get. So for this one, we need to use this command. Ollama run Kimi K3 cloud. Copying this and let's use the plus CLS. Now use this command. Ollama run Kimi K3 cloud and wait for few seconds. This done here. Now here you can see if I close this one and if I again opening the command prompt, typing there Ollama. Now let's this selected right click on this right arrow. So here you can see Kimi K3 cloud that's come there. You can select this option, press enter, and here you can what change. You can write any query there. Let's test with the high. So this here, this is not free. You need to do the signing to use this, and this is not free. Okay, and if I write there hi, this also. So subscription that's required after subscription, you can start using this Kimi K3 there. So this is how we can do there. Kimi K3 option. This is how we can get. So I hope guys this video is the helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.